Hey friends, today's video I'm going to talk about how this bag organizer has changed my life. Yes, a bag organizer can do so. First, let me share with you my outfit. Since I am wearing this top from Aqua from Bloomingdale's that I got a long time ago in the clearance section. Bloomingdale's clearance section is great, especially if you can find your size. Then these satin cargo pants from Sanctuary, also from Bloomingdale's. And this faux Chanel blazer from Zara. I thought it looked really cute together. I like to just try different things like cargo pants with a tweed jacket. Well, I wanted to wear my white Allbirch sneakers with this, but they are so dirty. So luckily I got this new pair of Vivaya. It's part of their spring collection. Look how cute the bow is. I already have two flats from them and really love them. Okay, so I got these organizers from Zoomoni. This is the company. They gifted this to me a while back, and I wanted to give it a chance to use it before doing a review, because I was thinking, I don't need a purse organizer. I can get by with cosmetics pouches. I can do this on my own in this big bag without organization. And I refused to, and then after I received the organizer, I discovered, oh my gosh, this is life changing. So I'm gonna show you some video and photos of what my Neverfull looked like before. It was just the big dump. Now, by the way, this is my Neverfull that I featured, I believe it was 2022. And it's still in really great shape for a Neverfull, if you know what I mean. Wink, wink. If you know, you know. Really great shape. And yeah, still, I love it. It's become my everyday bag. It really has, because I tend to carry a lot of things, and it might go from like yoga to work to work. For example, I have socks. I have socks in my bag. I noticed, like, when I was younger, when I was a minor, that my mom always had socks in her bag or her car. Now I get it, because what if I want to change my shoes? I'm wearing new flats. I might feel like, oh, I don't know if they need to be broken in. Sometimes they do, right? I might notice like maybe I need to change my shoes. Anyways, I'm just gonna pull this whole thing out and I can show you, because it will sit right in there. Somehow I have a napkin and airplane boarding pass in there. But okay, here we go. So now you can put anything in all these little pockets. I just came back from New York. I must have had my hairbrush in here because, sorry, stray hairs. It's like I have a cat, but no, it's me. Okay, so in here I discovered, like, especially for traveling, without the organizer, I take everything out and I find I have duplicates of everything. Like I might have 2 hand gels, 2 lotions, 3 lipsticks, 10 pens. So this keeps everything nice and neat. So I have socks. I always have my RX bars. Holds me over if I get hungry. This is my little skincare set, my on-the-go skincare set, because sometimes I'm coming from yoga and I'll throw my yoga towel in here. Okay, so I guess these should be in a pocket. Now this pocket here doesn't have a bottom because it's where the coffee mug can go, so it doesn't tip over, which I like. I don't use it very much because I do carry a separate lunch bag. Okay, so I've got my, I should probably take the time to organize a little bit. I have sunblock, and let's put our lip balm right in here. So my Kiehl's sunblock and a lip balm. Always for emergencies. Always need lip balm, but I have made it a habit to put sunblock, especially on my hands as I'm driving, because my hands are looking kind of old. I've got my allergy meds in this pocket here. In here, okay, here's the randoms. I found this cute little thing at Daiso. I have a bigger version for my car, and this is for the computer screen. It's so silly but cute. Oh, I also have this. I have so many versions of this. I also have this in slipper form where you can dust your floor as you walk around your house. So, you know, cute, random Japanese things. Okay, I have a feminine product in here, and I have a squeezy of toothpaste. I know it's so random, but sometimes, like, when you're out all day and you need to brush your teeth, there you go. Two of them. Okay, in this pocket, I have a hair tie. Again, never know when I end up in yoga. I have a little mirror from Idol. It's actually much more useful than I thought, because sometimes, like, pulling out your phone, I know people do it all the time, but I'm going to try to be a little sophisticated and keep a mirror. And then I have my hand sanitizer that I actually ended up buying at the airport, because I don't know why. I didn't have mine at the time. Okay, let's go through the rest of the pockets. So this one is for the drinks, which, like I said, I don't use because I carry a separate lunch bag. And then floating in the bottom, these probably need homes. So I can stick this one, like I can stick this in one of the pockets and it will be just fine. This is my pen carrier. Of course, it's Hello Kitty. So I have pens in here. Oh, my lion pen broke. I just discovered that. Oh, poor thing. Okay, it was a lion. No, it's not. So and obviously I have a lip product in here too. Didn't know. Oh, and it has this little thing here because that's for if you're going to, here, let me show you. If you're going to put it on your notebook. So nice. I love that. And the notebooks I usually just stick in the middle like this. So the things I do have floating at the bottom is the skincare, the protein bar, that can go in the pocket. I have some dental picks that can go in the pocket, tissue, and I have the, what do you call this thing that you plug into the wall if you want to charge your phone? That was left over from travel, but I actually think she can probably stay in here in case I need to charge my phone anywhere. And then I still have this pocket here this is from Google, my name tag clip, but here's where I keep receipts. So now I have a designated pocket for receipts that I can log into, you know, at the end of the day for expenses. Oh, really sorry, I'm still pulling hairs out of here. My hairbrush rides right in the middle as well. I don't know where it is right now. I think it's on the table because I always carry a hairbrush with me because my hair gets wild. And there you go. This whole thing drops in here. Oh, wait, my computer? Other things that I can fit. So my computer, instead of going in the middle, I'll just slide a spot for it here, like between the bag and the organizer. My computer will fit the notebook in the middle. And then I always do this, a little bag inside the big bag, and voila, there we go. This has kept me from like, I wouldn't say overstuffing, but like I said, multiples, things that I don't know that just fall into the abyss, and it's been an absolute lifesaver. They also sent me, so that's Zoomoni is the brand. They also sent me one for my little Speedy, my Speedy 25, and they also sent me these little cubes, which I have yet to use, so let's open them. And I have to figure out where. I like the color. So they're little cubes. They're like little Russian dolls. Oh, you know where I can use, oops. I can use these probably in my drawer where I can organize like bracelets and stuff, you know, rings maybe. So they sent that as, you know, a free gift. So that's kind of cute too. I'll have to figure out where I can use these. And also they come in felt or silk. So the one that's inside my Neverfull is silk, and these guys are felt. I went with silk for the Neverfull because I thought it would be lighter than felt because this is a little thick, and I think honestly that's one of the reasons when Like when the luxury bags were booming a couple years ago, I just didn't go for the organizers because they were felt, which in my head, it's like, well, that just adds weight. But the silk version, I'm very happy with. You can choose which color you want. So look at that. Just look at that, how much more organized that is compared to the old version, the old me. So yeah, that's that. It really does work. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you know someone who can use a little organization in their life. Of course, as you'll see in some of my videos, I'm going through this organization declutter journey, and this is part of it. And it feels good once your Neverfull is actually organized, because I always think I am, and then it becomes the bottomless pit, you know? So thanks guys for joining. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.